articles. The words a and the are called articles. Now we will learn more about articles in detail. Children, articles are divided into two: indefinite articles and definite articles. A and an are indefinite articles. The is definite article. So children, what are articles? The words a, an and the are called articles. It is divided into two: indefinite article and definite articles. First we will see indefinite articles. What are they? They are a and an. These two words are called indefinite articles. Now let us see how they are used. Indefinite articles are used before singular nouns. They are not used with plural nouns. A is used before the words that begin with the consonant sound. An is used before the words that begin with the vowel sound. Children, I hope you all know what are consonants and vowels. So children, a and an are the indefinite articles. A is used before the consonant sound. An is used before the vowel sound. Let us see some rules for using indefinite articles. The first rule is we use indefinite articles before the nouns in sentences when we are referring to them for the first time. For example, there is a mango tree near my school. Children, in this sentence, the word mango starts with the consonant sound and we are referring the noun for the first time. So we have to use a before the noun. See the next sentence, children. Is that an aeroplane? In this sentence, the noun starts with vowel sound. So what we have to use? We have to use an before them. The next rule is we use indefinite article when we talk about one's profession or what someone does. For example, my father is an engineer. Children, in this sentence, we are talking about one's profession and it starts with the vowel sound. So we have to use an before them. What is the next sentence? I am a student. Here, which is noun? Student is the noun. Student starts with the consonant sound. So we have to use a before them. The third rule is we use indefinite article to mean one. Shall we see example now? Do you have a book? Children, in this sentence, we are mentioning only one book. And whether the noun book starts with vowel sound? No. Book starts with the consonant sound and we have to use a before them. See the next sentence, children. I ate an omelette. In this sentence, omelette starts with the vowel sound and we mean only one omelette. So we have to use a or an. Yes, we have to use indefinite article and before them. Now let us see why the indefinite article a is used before these words. Children, in some words such as university, unique, unicycle or user, even though the first alphabet is a vowel, the sound produced is yo and hence the article a should be used before them. Shall we see few example words? A European country, a union, a unit. All these words are starting with the vowel letter, but the sound produced is different. Therefore, we have to use a before these words. Next, we will see why the article an is used before these words. Children, the words that starts with the vowel sound like honest or honorable should have an before them. Even though these words begin with the H, a consonant, when you pronounce them, the H is silent. The first sound of the word is the vowel sound ha. Hence these words takes the article and before them. Shall we see few example words? An harlot, an honest man. These words starts with a consonant letter but produces the vowel sound. Therefore, we have to use and before these words. Children, now let us see few example sentence for indefinite articles. The first sentence is, he is a European but his wife is an Indian. Children, in this sentence, even though the word European starts with the vowel letter, it produces the sound yo. So we have to use a before them. In the same sentence, the noun Indian starts with vowel sound. So you can use and before them. The next sentence is, we waited for an hour for a school bus. In this sentence, the word hour starts with the consonant letter H, but H is silent. It pronounces the vowel sound, so we have to use and before them. Children, in the same sentence, the noun school bus starts with the consonant sound. So what you have to use before them? Yes, you have to use a before them. Shall we see the next sentence? Gautam was a brave boy. In this sentence, the adjective brave starts with consonant sound. So we have to use a before them. The last example sentence for indefinite article is, Sneha had an ice cream after lunch. Children, in this sentence, the noun ice cream starts with which sound? Vowel sound. So which article we have to use? We have to use indefinite article and before them. Shall we see what is definite article? The word the is said to be definite article. Definite articles are used before singular as well as plural noun. The article the is used before nouns that are specific, have already been mentioned and is referred to again. So children, I told you a and an are indefinite articles. The is definite article. Indefinite articles are used before only singular nouns, but definite articles are used before both singular as well as plural nouns. Now we will see some rules for using definite articles. The first rule is, we use definite article when the noun it refers to is unique. Children, for example, the sun sets late in summer. Here, sun is unique noun. So we have to use definite article before them. Shall we see the next rule? Definite article is used to make a definite specific reference to a particular noun. For example, the teacher who taught me math won an award. Which teacher? Who taught me math? Here we are referring a particular noun. So we have to use definite article the before them.